Good morning, guys.
Morning,
sir.
Okay, how are you today?
We are fine.
I'm good, sir.
You're good?
Yes.
Okay, what about you?
I'm going well.
You're going well. Okay, alright, guys. Okay, welcome to our first meeting. Yeah, in a subject speaking English. Yeah, with me, Mr. Tio Sultan Ibrano. I'm from Palembang. Yeah, and my hobby is drawing, guys. Drawing and speaking, of course. Okay, here, since this is our first meeting, yeah, so I want you to introduce yourself, yeah, one by one. Who want to be the first?
Me.
You.
Yes.
Okay, please mention your name, where are you from, and your hobby, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. My name is Adelia. I am from Cianjur. I like reading and watching movies.
Oh, you love reading and watching a movie?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. Adele, right? Adele.
Yes.
Okay, Adele. And you?
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Ramadan. I'm from Soekarno-Hatta. My hobby is basketball.
Basketball.
Yes.
Oh, you're from Soekarno-Hatta.
Soekarno-Hatta.
Oh, I see. And next man.
Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. My name is Emrah Akbar. I'm from Kandus. My hobby is playing game.
You're playing game. Okay, what games?
At night.
Every day?
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay, thank you very much guys for your answer. So, since this is our first class, yeah, our first meeting, before we start our lesson, here I will ask you about an opinion. Yeah? What do you think about learning English? Okay. Can I know Adele?
My opinion, English is important because we can talk people from different countries.
Oh, so English is important because you can talk with people from different countries?
Yes.
Yeah, that's great. And you, Iqbal, right?
Yes.
Okay, Iqbal, please.
I agree. English can help us get better opportunities in the future.
Oh, yes, that's true. English can get us better in the future, right? Okay, we can speak English, we can talk with many people from different countries. Yeah, that's all your answers are great. Okay, you, last man.
For me, English difficult sometimes, but it's interesting to learning.
It's interesting. Okay, for you it's interesting. Why?
Because we can talk to people other country and we can like read the English and good at properly speaking.
Alright. All your answers are good guys, really. And okay, before we start our lesson, yeah, I wanna ask the second questions. It's about studying. What do you prefer? Studying alone or with your friends? But here, I want you to be the first. How is it? Yeah.
I like to both. I like when I was study alone and with my friend.
Okay, you like both. You like studying with your friends and alone. Okay, good. What about you, Ada?
Uh, I prefer studying with friends because we can share ideas.
You love studying with your friends because we can share an ideas, right?
Yes.
Okay, and last, you.
I prefer study alone because I can focus more.
Okay, you are studying alone, you with friends, and you both. Okay, it's so interesting, you know. Okay, guys, good answers. Okay, maybe for our class today, it's enough, yeah. But before that, any questions, guys?
Guys, I want to ask you, where's the toilet?
I'm not sure.
Maybe we start asking also.
Sir,
Yes, Rafi?
I have a question, sir.
Hmm.
Where's the toilet, sir?
Oh, the toilet. Oh, okay. You can go out of the class, turn right, and you will see the stair. It near of the stair. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions? No.
No, sir.
Okay. We will close the class, but we're waiting for Happy. Yeah. Okay. Maybe you can talk each other, guys, while waiting for Happy. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Rafi, already I'm back. Our class. Okay, everyone, thank you very much for your great attention. Thank you very much. We're excited. Yeah, today I hope that we can get more. Yeah, later on. So I hope that you will be more active. Yeah, in the next meeting.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe that's all for our class for today. Yeah, and see you.
See you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. See you, yeah.
See
See you, sir.
Hey, the class was fun, right?
I agree. The class not boring.
Yes, the lecture is friendly.
By the way, guys, do you want eat to the cafeteria?
What do you eat usually?
I like to eat fried rice. It's simple and delicious.
Oh my god. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go.